guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sharmin. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Today's makeup look is this makeup look. I really like it how it turned out. This is like a bold pink lip and I really like this, like a contrast with my outfit. And I showed you guys how I did, like, you know, western outfit to turn into more like a traditional outfit. So if you are not sure or if you don't had a chance to buy outfit like a Eid outfit, then you can wear this with your, like, you know, like with your nice dupatta. I feel like this is a really great options to just last minute wear it on during the Eid, because this year we are not gonna go anywhere. We will be home anyway, so a lot of people are not gonna buy outfit anyway. So yeah, I thought this is a great idea and I just share with you guys. So I hope you guys will like it. And if you want to see how I create this look and my outfit, two options, then keep on watching me. Hi guys, so first I'm gonna start with my primer. This one is Hard Candy Sheer NB Hydrating Primer. This is my favorite primer at the moment. I really like it because it has a really like a sticking kind of feeling to it, so I feel like my foundation stick really better and stay all day. Now for foundation, I'm using my Maybelline Urban Cover foundation. This one has full coverage foundation, and it also has a SPF 50, which I like, and the color I'm using is 128 Warm Nude. And I'm gonna blend out with this sponge. Now I'm gonna get my LA Color Conceal Corrector. This one is Peach, and I'm gonna put this on my under eye. I'll blend out with my finger. I like to put this on my eyelid as well. Now I'm gonna get any translucent powder you have, just to like set a little bit. So now I set my corrector with the translucent powder. Now I'm gonna get my concealer. So I'm using my Maybelline Age Rewind Eraser Concealer. So this one is 120 Light. Now I'm gonna blend with this sponge. Even though I set my concealer with a setting powder, but still I can blend out my concealer smoothly because when I set my under eye, it's like very lightly, like a light powder. It's not too, like, I didn't use too much, so that's why I can able to blend my concealer on top of that powder. Now I'm gonna get a little bit more. And this time I'm blending it out really light hand. Now set my under eye, I'm using my e.l.f. Hello Glow setting powder. I like this powder. I feel like this powder has a little bit, like, you know, brightening effect, so which I like, you know, under eye I like a little more brighten under eye. And for contour I'm gonna use this two combination because I feel like the Wet n Wild one, it's a little bit lighter, and the Maybelline one is a little bit more like a warm tone, so which I like on my skin. So I'm just gonna mix these two together. Use this for my contour. And for blush, I'm using my e.l.f. Putty blush. I'm gonna use my finger this on my cheek. And I will put this on my nose as well. I'm gonna blend with this sponge. Set my blush. I'm gonna use this Fit Me blush. This one is Nude. I'm just gonna set my blush with this. And for highlighter, I'm using this Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. So as you guys see, I did one eye already without showing you guys. So now I'm gonna start with this eye. So for starting, I'm gonna use this bite-size eyeshadow palette from e.l.f. Cosmetics. So from the palette, I'm gonna use this lighter shade using like a big fluffier brush, and I'm gonna put this on my crease. And I'm gonna put this on like a more like an outer V, and I'm just gonna blending it like an inward motion, like I'm just sweeping it like this. Then I'm gonna go with my pencil brush using that same shade from that eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna put that on my lower lashes. Now I'm gonna go with this next eyeshadow palette. So from the palette, I'm gonna get this pink shade using this blending brush, and I'm gonna put this on my outer V, and I'm just gonna blending it like an inward motion. And I'm gonna put this on my eyelid as well. Get like a flat shader brush, and from the next palette I'm going to get this like a peachy shade, and I'm gonna put this on my just like a halfway eyelid. Onto here on my inner corner as well. And I'm not using like, it's a dry brush, it's not, I'm not using any setting spray or anything. Beautiful like a peachy tone, kind of pinky color, and it's very pigmented. Then going back to my blending brush and that pink shade, and I'm just gonna put that on that, trying to blend the edges a little bit. So I'm gonna get this dark shade from the e.l.f. palette, and I'm gonna make like a wing eyeliner. It's like I'm doing like a half wing, I'm not doing like all the way. Then I'm gonna tight line with this L'Oreal Eyeliner signature eyeliner pencil. And I'm gonna curl my lashes. And for mascara, I'm using my Sky High from Maybelline Cosmetics. Eyelashes, I actually did something different today. So for eyelashes, as you can see, I cut 3 pieces, my one big lashes, because I saw somewhere, I think it's in YouTube or TikTok, if you cut 3 pieces your lashes and if you put it on, it looks different. I'm not sure, and I don't see any difference. I put that on this eye, and it's nothing different for me. It's like I feel like it's same, but I wanted to try it out. That's why I cut my lashes into 3 pieces, or maybe it's more looking natural, I guess that's what they meant. And for me, I don't feel any difference. I don't see any difference. Put the glue on, and I'll put this on the side first, on this corner one. I will do the middle one. Just wait for it to tacky a little bit. Also saw people are doing it under the natural lashes as well. Like, I don't know, I never want to try that because I have a very sensitive eyes, because if I put something like a lash glue inside my eye, I will have a, like, you know, it's gonna be really painful. So this is my eye, and so far I like the lashes. I had a hard time to blend in because I feel like it has a little bit gap, because when you cut it 3 pieces it's kind of hard. Like, I need a little bit more practice to use that lashes, because I just thought it's gonna be really like easy to wear maybe, but it's not that easy actually, because if you get used to it, to using like a strip lashes, this is like you cut it into half, three pieces. It's kind of hard. Moving on to my lip, I'm gonna use my Morphe Sweetie lip liner as always, everyday like a favorite lip liner. So I feel like I'm gonna wear this lip. This one is Colourpop Thursday liquid lipstick. This is my like a really old lipsticks. I'm not sure it's still drying or still gonna work. Let's try it. This is the lipstick and I like it. It's one of my favorite color, used to be. Now it's like it's been a while I haven't used it, so that's why I feel like it's dried out, so I had to kind of dig it in to get it. But yeah, I really like it, and I'll show you guys what outfit I'm gonna wear with this look. And yeah, so I'm wearing like a high-waisted pants, like a gray pants. I'm not sure, you guys can take a look here. It's like a high-waisted, more like a dressy pants, and I'm wearing my pink top. This is from H&M, and I'm gonna wear my 9 waist. It's more like a rose gold pink shoes, so I feel like this is gonna match with my outfit. That's why I chose this. And a really nice dupatta from my last year outfit. It's very gorgeous, like it's very gorgeous dupatta, and it has a like a work pearly kind of work on it, and it's making a lot of noise. You can hear it, and it's very heavy and it's very long, and it has a little bit like a pink kind of, like, you know, organza fabric. So if you have any, like, you know, dupatta, because Indian outfit has really nice like a heavy work dupatta, so you can wear, like, you know, make like a full outfit with a traditional, like you'll just tweak it a little bit. So that's why I feel like if you haven't had a chance to buy like Eid outfit, so you can just turn into your dupatta fully, like, you know, more like pansari. I'm not sure what is it called. Now I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna wear this dupatta with this outfit. So what I'm gonna do, I will use one side of my dupatta and I will tuck it in from like one side, like, you know, from your zipper. Like, I'll say one side you tuck it in, and you tuck it in from like a halfway from here. You tuck it in. Okay, I'm gonna tuck like all the way, wearing tank top underneath, like halfway here. You can see it's the other side of my dupatta. I'm gonna make a fold like this, and I'm gonna put this on this side. I'm gonna put this one side, and I have a big pin, so I'm gonna pin it up. Now here you go. So this is my like a pants with like a traditional outfit. And so I'm wearing another white lacy crop top and the same pants. And the back is like this. It's a beautiful top. So this is the shoes I'm gonna wear with this outfit. Then I'll put this on that side, and I'm gonna tweak it a little bit. I have it this belt. I got it a long time ago, and if you want, you can have any belts. You can put it on top. So this is the wearing with the belt. If you want, you can skip the belt. You can just wear with that. And every time I'm walking in, and it make a noise with this like, you know, details. So I'll show you my full outfit. I really like it, and I hope you guys will like it. If you like it, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and subscribing my channel. So see you in my next video.